Each shop encounters customers who are reluctant to approve recommended auto repairs or keep up with scheduled maintenance beyond inspections and oil and filter services. Ultimately, selling anything in a profession, especially to a skeptic, is an art form. In this case, the seller, your service advisor, must have the best shop management tools to succeed in selling auto repair services. Let's dive into some of the necessities that will set your service advisors up for success. First, photo recommendations. Without photographic proof that a customer's cabin air filter is filthy and should be replaced, the service advisor might have a hard time trying to prove it. Seeing is believing, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. That's why our software enables advisors to take and text photos to customers with digital multi-point vehicle inspections. Next is clear recommendations. Trying to read sloppy handwriting and grease-stained estimates not only makes the job more difficult, but it also decreases the likelihood of a sale. In our digital vehicle inspection software, technicians are able to type or choose from a list of canned recommendations. This not only saves time, but also decreases the likelihood of a service recommendation error in a repair order. Lastly is exceptional customer service and empowering the customer. In a bustling shop, making the customer feel like the most important person goes a long way in selling service. Superior customer service begins when the service advisor meets the customer at their vehicle, establishing that one-on-one attention. The most significant part of the customer experience is when the customer gets the results and service recommendations for their vehicle. Everything is wrapped up into a digital vehicle inspection overview, which shows visual elements such as photos and videos and is color-coded to the most important service recommendations. With this, the customer has the power to decide and approve which services they would like to carry out on their vehicle. After that, the customers are able to select from various options of payment, one example being text to pay, and they can also set up an appointment reminder for their next visit. This ultimately builds trust with the customer and puts the decision-making power in their hands while showing them that your shop cares about their overall experience. There's nothing more hands-off for selling vehicle maintenance than allowing the customer to choose. Applying these best practices to your shop's operations will ultimately help you sell auto repair services to skeptical customers. For more information, please read our blog, How to Sell Auto Repairs to a Skeptic. Interested in learning more about shop management tools? Head to the link in the description to schedule your custom demo with us today. And remember, Bolt-On is here to help you grow your business.